In Excel you can write the serial numbers like this and drag on it, so you can find the serial number, but I will show you how you can add it automatically. We use the formula of if, and in the new version you can use it with sequence, but I am telling it because we can use it in the older version as well. So we use the formula like this. We use the formula if along with the count a, and once you provide the cell, you have to provide the cell where you want to write a text. So, and one of the cell you have to freeze it like this. You press F4 and freeze it. Once you done, copy down the formula till the end of the table, then you have right here, and press enter, and you can find the numbers. Thanks for watching my video.